All right, now I'm going to show you where we use complex numbers or imaginary numbers, and with the introduction of the term vector. And I'm sure most of you have heard that term before, but this is where we actually use this. So when you see -2 minus 3i, and when you go to plot that on a coordinate plane, notice the x, what is normally the x-axis, is still the x-axis, but the y-axis is now the imaginary axis. Normally we see this, x, y, and we know how to plot it. Well, now for complex terms, what we're going to see is we're going to see this. So this first term right here, notice there's not a comma between them. This first term right here is acting as the x. The second term, -3i, is acting as the y. So what you're going to do, so here, I already did that. We're going to come over here. And for -2, I came over -2, kind of like if that would have said -2 something. And then -3i, remember the y, what usually is the y-axis is now the imaginary. I'm going to go down 3. So this right here is -2 subtract 3i. And then that's the point. That's the point right there. And then what happens is that's a vector, just like that. All right, so now, so that's actually pretty easy. You guys know how to plot points. Same thing, so -2, -1, so left 2, down 1, and you'd plot that right there, and then you would label it with this. All right, so now you have to tell me the point. So first thing I want you to do is, okay, we're going to go over to the right 5. So that's +5. And we went up 1. So, and remember, 1 is the same as 1i. So you can just put I. 5 plus I is that point right there. And this point right here, well, we go to the right 2. And then notice we're going down, so subtract, when we go down 1, 2, 3, subtract 3i. Just like that. All right, so that is how you graph these complex numbers. Pretty easy, pretty fast.